That's our video today, is don't come into Wyoming expected to just drive straight through, because there are some crazy road conditions that you need to be aware of. Again, sorry for our voice. We needed to make a video today because we kind of...
Sick or not, I think you should be able to make a video.
No,
we definitely appreciate it.
Who has given us like support through this process. We definitely want to update you guys, but we only give you a full update, and we're still not done with GM. We're kind of done with the Chevy piece if this check engine light doesn't come back on, and so we'll let you guys know.
We just got the truck back with a new transmission.
Oh, look at that!
Look at that lovely light. We saw it again.
Yeah, we do have the truck back. We'll make a way bigger and longer video for you guys in the future, but there's still a little moving parts that we still need to figure out before we just put it all out there, so.
Just like that.
Where are we at, Ruben? Okay, we got our truck back.
We got
our truck back.
And have a transmission.
And we have a transmission.
Say we have a new transmission.
A new transmission.
I say we got our truck back.
The truck back.
Say we got our truck back. On the Chronicles of Olivia and Houston.
We just got the truck back with a new transmission.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that lovely light. We saw it again.
Well, guys, what does the saying say? Dorothy, I guess we're not in Kansas, or Toto, I guess we're not in Kansas anymore.
It's like an apocalypse out here. It's snowing like crazy. We're on our way to get some diesel additive
And some food.
For the kids, but more or less the diesel additive, because this is our first winter owning a diesel in the freezing cold. It's 2 degrees, the wind chill makes it a lot colder, so we definitely don't want to be stranded on the side of the road. You know, through the tough times, you guys got to keep trucking, you know, because I think I can say that, keep trucking or keep on going, keep RVing, because you don't want to give up, man. If this is the lifestyle you want or want to do, you just got to keep going and make it happen.
I will not be here next winter. That's what I keep telling myself. I refuse to be like this. Look at this.
So 5 o'clock, let's say 5 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock now, so it's been snowing
We get the capital like this. That's very cold. What's the temperature out, Mr. Shirt? Oh, 2. Ooh. At least it's not negative.
So as you guys see, we're driving the Chevy. They got a new transmission in it. They overnighted it.
I'm kind of glad the camper's not here.
Yeah, they got that. You see, we have a check engine light, but it's
Supposedly not anything crazy, so
we'll keep you guys updated on that. But what else is positive? I mean, we'll give you guys a big update on this whole process. We'll drop a big video about this whole process. Yeah.
How we've had to fight GM tooth and nail.
Yeah, I mean,
like not even tooth and nail.
We didn't. My wife did all the hard work, and I definitely appreciate it, and I'm thankful, yeah, that she was able to do that and get it done. But
So my other solution was I already talked to the GM at the dealership. I already talked to the service manager, and that was getting nowhere. So I just talked to the owner. And the owner, I have to admit, was extremely helpful. He listened to all our concerns, and he rocked it. I can't be mad at him. I literally cannot be mad at him. He got us a transmission, and like, he ordered it the third. No, so he brought the problem up on the 13th of February, had it overnighted, had it approved through GM. Like, I can't.
The day of,
I literally cannot ask anything more. When he obviously he didn't know about the issue because people were handling it on the lower level, and when I brought it to his attention, he was on it. So like, I really can't be pissed off at the dealership anymore because he did everything he needed to do.
that being said, would we go back to that dealership and purchase another if we're
So,
down the line or something?
Dealing with him, I have no problem. Dealing with the service side, there's some awesome people that work there that I have no problem with dealing with. Let's talk about the sales side. Sales side, I have a little bit of different taste in my mouth from them after this process.
Yeah, especially some of the comments they made and the way they
Just buy
acted.
another truck. If that was in my wheelhouse currently, let me think. So I just bought a truck 10 months ago. It's still on my credit, and yeah, let me just drop everything and add another vehicle
And we
on
just
top
put
of
new wheels,
on top of the
tires.
on top of the camper I have on my credit too. These people think that everybody's just millionaires working stuff out of their
Or
air,
they want you
thin
to
air.
turn upside down on it, or whatever the heck.
I'm not gonna freaking trade in a vehicle that is a lemon that has consistent issues and trade it in when I am one more freaking service issue away from getting a new vehicle. So let me go underwater with the loan, probably be like 20,000 underwater,
At least.
and roll that over to a new loan and be 100,000 underwater now. No, thank you. No. I may have like letters written on my head, but it does not say stupid. People think because me and Houston are so young that we like just fall for anything.
Trust me, we definitely talk about it. We think it through.
Will Houston jump on it a little bit faster than I will? Yes, because Houston, not saying he grew up bad, but his dad didn't have credit. His dad
My
paid everything
would-
cash. So I have a little bit more experience with credit than Houston does. I have a little bit of more experience buying vehicles. Houston's only bought one vehicle on his credit. So that's a little bit different of a story. So we work together and figure it out. So one way or another, we just figure it out. If it's something that he knows a little bit more about, he deals with it. If it's something that I need to take over with, I do it. It just works out better that way.
You gotta slow down. Be careful out here in these cold temperatures in Wyoming.
Proof that you gotta be careful. Some people don't know.
God dang, you know.
Some people don't know how to drive in this weather, and now that truck may be totaled, that camper is probably toast. It sucks. Sorry to those people. Hope they're safe and okay. We definitely don't wish bad upon anybody, but you gotta watch out, especially now. Not good. So please excuse my voice. We got some kind of crud. I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to not sound like I'm freaking
dying.
yeah.
But
So
we currently are dying. We all feel like poop. Some are worse than others.
Yeah.
But
I think it's like, so we got the flu shot this year, and I was hoping that would be okay.
But
I kind of feel like
we
getting the
needed like
flu.
a booster or something. I don't know what.
Maybe we got the shot too early in the season. I don't know. So this is why we say like we're super careful on the roads. We definitely probably wouldn't pull our camper in this.
And I'm not saying I'm a good driver
It's
or
not
the
even
best
that you're
driver.
a bad driver. It's people around. Like there's so many different variables that you can have when you're, you know, in this situation. Like
Yes,
drivers,
and it
truck
could
drivers.
change in the blink of an eye. You know.
Well, and that's that.
And that's what happened to that guy here. Is he just hit some black
Fishtailed or
ice
something,
and
right?
and yeah, he
And
flipped
then he
it
overcorrected it or something.
and flipped it and if you didn't, I don't know what you would do in a
Is that
situation.
a cow?
Yeah, there's some cows out there.
Look at how slow it's moving. Yeah, it's not a joke. And we really honestly didn't want to be back here in February or March. This is like the worst. If you want to come to Wyoming, February or March is not the time to be here.
February, March, and sometimes April.
Depends. And we're definitely here for it.
So, let's see. So are we gonna go get the camper?
So obviously you can see a little bit of a change. Like we said from before.
You see that Chevy emblem, baby?
We're gonna give
back.
you guys,
we're back in the rig. But
we're gonna give you guys a full update because we don't want to have it spaced out between a heck of videos. But
and we haven't.
It was throwing another check engine light, but they're saying it's because of
the dampers or something.
It says active guard air shutters 1 performance. So they're like either frozen closed or frozen open.
Frozen closed.
And so it's just not getting like enough air flow or whatever. We're hoping that's what it is, but when Houston pulled it up on the Chevy app this morning, it said transmissions. We're like...
And it still does, so I don't know what the heck, you know?
It still does?
Yeah, it still says engine and transmission. Service engine and transmission, so... I don't know. We'll see what the heck. I mean, it's running good.
It doesn't sound... Yeah, it doesn't sound like it did. Maybe you just have to drive it for a little bit for it to like recognize.
Yeah, I'm going 57 miles. You see the road conditions. You see them.
Yep.
You see the road conditions. Watch what we get passed by. And this is why accidents happen in Wyoming. It's because of semis. They want to go too fast, and then
they have something to go do. But it's like, is your life more worth it? They can kill so many people by just trying to speed or do something stupid, and it's not worth it.
No, and that's like he's gonna try and pass me, and it's black ice over there.
He's
but
passing.
look at, he's passing.
Speeding, crazy.
And that's why you guys, as 18-wheelers,
a lot of the
time.
jackknifed. Oh no, it's not even that. Wyoming has some crazy winds. They called Chicago the Windy City. I don't know if Chicago should be the Windy City.
I would put money against it. And
Wyoming
here in Wyoming
has some freaking high speed winds, and trucks think it's a joke. They think it's a joke, and then you will see it.
Have you ever seen an 18-wheeler flip in Chicago due to the wind? If you have, let us know, because
say, how many have you seen in your lifetime?
In my lifetime, I've seen hundreds. I mean hundreds. They turn over. We call it tipping cows over here. That's.
And it's seriously true. So Houston likes watching hunting, and he likes watching like truck videos. And so this one guy said, these trucks, these modern trucks, aren't built like they used to be. They're just basically a computer with 4 wheels, and it's actually, I feel like it's
very true,
pretty accurate. So come along with us, and we're gonna drive past this guy again and see if they got him pulled out or what.
Disconnect him, I think.
You think his truck's good?
Yeah, the only thing it would do is mess up that, the tube.
The tow hitch,
the
right?
tow hitch. But
you have to have it re-freaking welded or what?
Oh, no, you would have to, take that off, cut it off. Look at, I'm doing 59 miles an hour because speeding isn't, I have precious cargo. Look at that, you know.
He's got to be going like 70.
If you're in these road conditions, please, you guys, take your time, be safe, travel safe, and if you're hauling that trailer, just take your time. Yeah, if you get there that day. If not, make a different reservation.
Yeah.
But you got to be able to just take your time.
Yeah.
Look at slick road, reduce speed.
Yeah,
these guys.
And the trucks just think it's a joke. They just think it's a joke and continue on. I get they have a mission. I'm not against truckers at all.
You get paid by the mile. I understand.
I'm not against truckers at all, but I wish they would understand that there's other people on the road that they need to take care of too.
Or not even that, you know, they have a family back at home or something that wants to see them.
Bad accidents.
So they should probably just consider their family back at home and let them know, like, hey, you gotta freaking take your time, man.
like negative 11.
Feels like negative 11.
Average is a negative 29. So yes, it says 6 degrees on Houston's truck, but not seeing that. I'm not seeing that.
No, and I just stuck my hand out there just for a few minutes just to get you guys that footage, but it's cold.
It says
So if you guys don't have to travel on a day like this, don't travel, man. Just take your time and rearrange your plans, talk to the camp people and tell them, hey, it's bad weather out there. We don't think it's right for us to leave. Is it okay if we book another night?
I doubt somebody's gonna force you out of your campsite.
Yeah, and here in Wyoming, they'll figure it out because
these people are a little bit nicer than some people.
Yeah, I'm not everybody's, you know, accommodating or somebody books it up.
People who are native Wyoming have very big hearts.
And you'll notice that when you come here.
Native Wyoming, key is native Wyoming.
Yep.
Because there are some transplants here that are
rude as heck.
Different.
But
not all of them. I can't say that about all of them.
But like, I know a handful of people that would bend over backwards, give you their shirt off their back for you guys, or not for you guys, but for anybody, and
so that's our video today. Is don't come into Wyoming expected to just drive straight through, because there are some crazy road conditions that you need to be aware of. Again, sorry for our voice. We needed to make a video today because we kind of...
Sick or not, I think you should be able to make a video. No, if you're really feeling under the weather, you still got to get it done because you guys are waiting on us. I mean, you're our community, and we definitely appreciate
who has given us like support through this process. We definitely want to update you guys, but we want to give you a full update, and we're still not done with GM. We're kind of done with the Chevy piece if this check engine light doesn't come back on. So we'll let you guys know, but yeah, we do have the truck back. We'll make a way bigger, longer video for you guys in the future, but there's still a little moving parts that we still need to figure out before we just put it all out there.
So you know what that means. Like, subscribe, show all your friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button. Till then, catch you guys on the next one. Later.